Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. Check that your phone or laptop supports tethering while connected to Wi-Fi. Enable mobile data or plug into Ethernet so the internet source is active. Turn on the hotspot, pick a strong WPA2 password, and choose 2, 4 or 5 GHz based on range and speed. Once done, make sure the device's Wi-Fi remains connected as a client. On many devices, you must enable use Wi-Fi for internet or a dual-role tethering option to allow both functions at once. Now configure routing. Change hotspot channel or band to reduce interference with the Wi-Fi you're connected to and confirm both radios are active. On Windows or Mac OS, enable internet connection sharing or set up NAT so inbound traffic from the hotspot routes through the active Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Use DHCP or static IP pools for clients and assign priority to critical devices. Also, monitor data usage and apply a limit or schedule to avoid hitting caps. This keeps the shared finish by verifying clients obtain an IP and can reach the internet. Test with a simple page load. If things fail, restart both the hotspot and the source Wi-Fi radio. This clears stuck routes. Then, inspect client IP, gateway, and DNS settings and renew the DHCP lease. If you use a VPN or strict firewall, disable it briefly to see if it's blocking NAT or split tunneling. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling the tethering option often restores correct routing without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.